Good afternoon, traders. Russell Sandiford here for your Monday afternoon market rant for easyMarkets. Well, the tone to start this week has definitely been reasonably quiet, which could be the calm before the trading storm from what I can see. Just to make some quick comments here on what we finished up with last week, which was definitely in the category of some wild volatility, particularly for gold. Gold smashed up to just hitting that key barrier at 1300 and then did a sharp, very nasty reversal all the way back to 1280 before turning north again by the looks of it. So I'm watching this particular product with a lot of interest as the risk theme may fall to the wayside again if we see more North Korean headlines coming out of the military exercise plan for tomorrow. If that's the case, then we should definitely see gold again at or above that 1300 level. But as always, be really careful on pairs such as that one or dollar yen, because if sentiment changes and no news is good news, well then the risk assets will get bought up again and gold will slide down. So where does that leave us? The other big mover, like I said, dollar yen. It moved from 109 and change, realistically 109 and a half, slamming down to hit 108.60 on Friday, with more political rumblings as well in the background, with another one of the Team Trump members wanting to jump off the ship. And again, dollar yen did a sharp, nasty reversal and went all the way back up to 109.60. So in this current market, you've got to be really careful with the risk theme and getting that risk sentiment right. And we'll try and do everything we can to update you again later for our full weekly update on the easyMarkets YouTube channel as well, so that you understand where that risk theme may take those key pairs. So speaking of other key pairs, where are the opportunities today or perhaps the start of this week? The euro dollar chart that I've got on screen, that's actually a weekly chart showing the current level there at 117.5. For mine, the ECB midweek is definitely going to stir some things up, but the euro bulls might be disappointed that Draghi doesn't say a great deal and is more likely, from what I can see on the macro level, is more likely to delay talks of QE relating to the euro until possibly September. So look for some euro downside potentially in the short term. Be very careful though, because if there is any hint at Jackson Hole to end off this week from ECB speakers, or in his midweek approach to the media, that they may in fact take the foot off the QE pedal, then the euro is set to move much higher. I can't see them doing that this week, so I favoured to stay on the short side of that particular pair. As for the other locals, the Aussie and the Kiwi, for example, looking alarmingly strong. The Aussie at 79.30, definitely surprising me and a lot of other traders that are scratching their head looking at those potential North Korean headline flare-ups. So look for to keep your powder dry and keep your accounts fully funded so you can get ready to sell those pairs, the Kiwi against the greenback and the Aussie against the greenback, if we do see some more risk-off tone like we have in the last fortnight. Again, we'll update you later, but trade well in the meantime, and if you need a hand, give us a call here on the desk at easyMarkets.